Hey, if your Instagram account doesn't have access into your photos and the videos, and for some reason you actually cannot turn it on by tapping right here, I'm going to show you how it looks actually on the Android phone. So all you have to do is just to open the settings on your Android device, and you will have to find the all apps. So in my case, it appears right here, and then I can click to see all apps, and from here I will have to locate the Instagram. Now when I click on it, I will have to go into the permissions, and then I have to go into the photos and the videos, and I have to select ask every time, or I'll always allow all. And now when I go back from this one, as you can see, I can find right here this photos, and it means that right now application is able to actually open my photos and the videos from my phone storage. And if for some reason it doesn't work, I can recommend you to go into the Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS devices. Search for the Instagram and be sure that you're using the latest version of the application. If you still cannot fix this, I can recommend you to simply uninstall this application and install it one more time. And that's basically it. You can tell me if it works. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.